The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting the actual number of coronavirus cases in the U.S. is probably 10 times bigger than the number of actual confirmed cases. So rather than 2 million, they're saying the actual case numbers are closer to 20 million. 4 in Your Corner's Rachel Lloyd has been talking to people who've actually experienced this virus for themselves. Rachel?
The 2 COVID-19 survivors I spoke with today told me just how important it is to continue to follow CDC guidelines, especially after learning there are more COVID-19 cases than we thought. The lifestyle blogger Katherine Backstrom went from running a few times a week to not running at all and taking a trip to the hospital. She had dangerous COVID-19 symptoms.
It's an unpredictable virus. You don't know how your body's going to respond.
And now she's back to her bubbly self, posting again. She told me today she and her spouse had the virus at the same time, leaving her to battle it for 16 days.
We never imagined that my husband or myself would be as sick as we were.
Centers for Disease Control Director Dr. Robert Redfield shared in a briefing yesterday there's likely more COVID-19 cases in the U.S. than we know. He also mentioned the unreported cases among children that weren't getting tested early on in the pandemic. Not shocking to Backstrom, since doctors told her that her children presumably had the virus too.
We had 2 positive cases and then probably 2 more that were never documented.
And Southwest Florida counties have not required mask use in public, but epidemiologist James Coltman says that's a mistake.
We need everybody to be out there wearing a mask in order to stop this big rise.
And Fort Myers Councilman Kevin Anderson, who also had the virus, says they shouldn't because of the complications with enforcing it. But he says they should recommend it.
The answer is to encourage people to be responsible. Wear the mask when you're out and about. Use a hand sanitizer. Wash your hands frequently. Wipe things down.
Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4 in Your Corner.